Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing how businesses operate. From automating tasks to improving decision-making, AI offers a wide range of benefits. It is a powerful tool that businesses are using today to gain a competitive edge. AI can analyze large amounts of data and identify patterns that humans might miss. AI can also automate tasks such as customer service and data entry. AI is transforming industries such as healthcare, finance, and retail. Businesses that embrace AI will be well positioned for success in the future. Before we dive right in, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also, please like and comment below. Thanks. AI is revolutionizing business strategies across all industries. Businesses can now analyze data more effectively. They can use this data to improve their products and services. This is all thanks to AI. AI-powered marketing tools are helping businesses target their customers more effectively. These tools can analyze customer data. They identify patterns and predict future behavior. This allows businesses to personalize their marketing campaigns. The result is more effective campaigns that reach the right people at the right time. AI is also being used to improve customer service. Chatbots, for example, can answer customer questions and resolve issues quickly and efficiently. AI can personalize the customer experience. This leads to increased customer satisfaction and loyalty. AI is transforming the way businesses operate. It is helping businesses to be more efficient, more customer-focused, and more profitable. AI is not just transforming businesses, it's boosting their profits too. Businesses are finding new ways to increase efficiency and productivity with AI. This leads to direct cost savings and increased revenue. AI-powered automation is a game changer. By automating repetitive tasks, businesses can reduce labor costs and improve efficiency. This allows employees to focus on higher-value tasks that require creativity and problem-solving skills. AI can optimize pricing strategies. By analyzing market data and customer behavior, businesses can set optimal prices for their products and services. This leads to increased revenue and profitability. AI helps manage inventory more effectively, reducing waste and saving money. AI is a powerful tool that can help businesses to increase their bottom line. By embracing AI, businesses can unlock new opportunities for growth and profitability. Real-world examples of AI in action. The impact of AI is real, and it's happening now. In healthcare, AI improves patient outcomes. AI detects diseases like cancer earlier and more accurately. AI transforms retail with personalized recommendations. Financial institutions use AI to prevent fraud. These are just a few examples of AI in action. Section 5. The benefits and challenges of AI for businesses. AI offers businesses incredible benefits, but it's not without challenges. Understanding both sides is crucial for successful AI adoption. The benefits are undeniable. AI increases efficiency and productivity, reduces costs, and drives revenue growth. AI helps businesses make better decisions by providing data-driven insights. AI enhances the customer experience, leading to greater satisfaction and loyalty. However, there are challenges to address. Implementing AI solutions can require significant upfront investment. Businesses need to invest in the right technology and expertise. There are ethical concerns surrounding AI, such as data privacy and bias. Businesses need to ensure their use of AI is responsible and ethical. By carefully considering both the benefits and challenges, businesses can harness the power of AI responsibly and effectively. The key is to strike a balance. Section 6. Conclusion. The future is AI-powered. AI is not just a passing trend, it's the future of business. Companies that embrace AI will have a significant advantage in the years to come. AI is transforming business strategies, boosting profits, and creating new opportunities. From personalized marketing to automated customer service, AI is revolutionizing the way businesses interact with their customers. AI is helping businesses to become more efficient, more profitable, and more competitive. The future of business is AI-powered. By embracing AI, businesses can unlock their full potential and thrive in the rapidly evolving digital landscape. The journey begins now. It's time to explore the possibilities of AI and shape the future of your business. For more information about AI in business, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a great day.